Your Honor, good morning. I'm hearing for the defense.
Ready? We are ready, Your Honor.
Are we the witness?
We have one witness for today, Your Honor.
Okay, so the witness.
We call to the witness stand, Christine Malaga Susan, Your Honor.
This is your Do you hereby solemnly pledge that I will prove the whole truth and nothing but the truth? Please state your name, your personal circumstances, and the capacity to share.
Okay, sit down. Full name.
Morning, Your Honor. I am the state Sherlock Magano Season,
Civil status.
civil, Your Honor, and I am appearing here as
Residence of.
Barangay 183, Pasay City, Your Honor.
Okay, over.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good day sa inyong lahat sa mga aspiring criminal investigators dyan, fraud investigators, cyber investigators, and forensic psychologists dyan. Ito yung isi-share ko sa inyo ang aming moot court presentation or ang actual na namin na presentation ng aming case folders. At the end of the 240 hours na training period, required po talaga ang case folder. And para makuha po ang titulo na Certified Professional Investigator, dapat po talaga ay mag-attend po kayo ng moot court at magpasa ng case folder at syempre naman po ay mai-state or mai-deliver nyo ng maayos as an investigator on case or as an ordinary witness or an expert witness depending on the judge on how he analyzes your qualifications. So dapat po ay ma-deliver po ng tama, manalo or matalo ang case. Your role is an investigator on case. Your role is only a witness. Do not act like a lawyer. Kumbaga kung ano yung tinatanong nila, if it is answerable by yes or no, pili ka lang sa dalawa, yes ba or no. You explain the matters when they ask you to explain, but if hindi nila pinapa-explain sa'yo, do not explain and do not defend your answer kasi hindi ka nga lawyer. Sila nga po ang lawyers dito and both the prosecution and the defense should or shall have the authority for argumentative explanations unless if they ask you to explain or to give clarifications to your testimony. But I would like you to know who are these mentors that I have engaged with during our moot court presentation. First one, we have Honorable Judge Jacinto M. De La Cruz Jr. and Attorney Pio Wendell A. Dawas, prosecution for my case presentation. Attorney Maria Lelebet Fabre, defense for my case presentation. These guys right here are just really great. Sabihin na natin, hindi sila madamot sa knowledge. In case na nagkamali ka, tuturuan ka nila, i-educate ka nila ng tama. Hindi talaga sila madamot. Tapos hindi sila parang attacker every time na nagkakaroon ng mistake doon sa ginagawa mo. And I'm really happy for that. So alam nyo yun, nagpe-prepare na kami sa graduation namin kasi awa ng Diyos nakalagpas talaga kami lahat. Inabot kami ng halos alas 4. Shout out kay Dr. Rudy Gahar na napaka-supportive talaga. Siya po yung director ng PIPSA. Tsaka yung misis naman niya na si Dr. Lynette Gahar. Siya naman po yung president ng PIPSA. So napaka-humble ng mag-asawang to. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano nila nagagawa yon with their achievements na napaka-low-key nilang dalawa. So ito rin yung advantage nyo kapag nagpupunta ka sa mga ganitong schooling kasi you really get humbled by their achievements and their humbleness. So wag tayong maging stagnant, no? Wag tayong manatili na akala natin alam na natin lahat. Let's give way to learning. Let's welcome knowledge and linkages with fellow professionals, okay? Isa talaga ako sa makaka-vouch para sa training program na to. This is very perfect for criminology instructors or faculty members na humahawak ng mga investigation subjects. Isa ito sa magpapa-educate sa inyo ng maayos sa atin and magandang magiging result to our students. Open po sa lahat ng course. Goodbye!